So the main challenges of the company that at Hasegawa, the information technology, were a we had no redundant system. We did not have specific technology to meet the challenges of each department.
As a company and as a culture, we always have to keep in mind what is the customer trying to achieve and how is it that we're going to help them achieve that and keep that as the primary goal. And that's what's led to this being successful.
So the challenges of technology that I had, users just did not have the right tools. So something that should have been done in 10 minutes, it would take 2 hours. Obviously, it was delaying projects. So we were not able to compete with other global companies.
We want to make the applications easy to use. So how do you take a complex, fully functioned ERP system, which has a very complex process for, say, in this example, order entry, where there's multiple screens, and they said, we need one screen. And it has to be easy to use, where we can train somebody in a short period of time.
Before, it would take 6 to 8 weeks to train a CSR because they had to worry about so many screens. What's the pricing? How the customer wants to ship? But one of the projects that Virtutem helped us rebuild our entire order entry system, which is and everything starts with order entry. You get it right, everything goes right. You get it wrong in the beginning, it doesn't work. So the CSR doesn't even need to worry about entering a formula. They just, looking at the purchase order, all they enter is the quantity. Everything else is calculated for them.
This system needs to be easy so my 7-year-old could use it. And so we use those kind of guidelines to how do we make this easy? How do we take all this information, all this data, and present it in a way that somebody can understand it and do their job with minimal training?
And now it used to take us about 20 to 25 minutes. These are actual numbers to create an order. Now it's under 3 minutes.
We meet customers where they are. I've said that many times, but we bring technology and people together.
Okay, we need a partner that understands integration and understands different technologies. That's what Virtutem helped us.